Hola clase, este video es sobre la gramática capítulo 1, es una gramática de repaso y se llama el pretérito de los verbos con los cambios e a i y o a u en la raíz, o en inglés, preterite of verbs with stem changes. Raíz means the root or the stem. Changes in the root, in the stem, from e to I and from o to u. Stem changing I are verbs in the present tense also have a stem change in the preterite. They go from e to I and o to u. And they only take place in the usted, ella, and the ustedes, ellos, ellas forms. So we can use the verb pedir as a model of this. Here's the forms of pedir. Pedí, pediste, pidió, pedimos, pedistes, pidieron. So it's a little different. It's not a boot verb. It's more like the shoe or the sandal. Just the bottom two have the E to the I change, and the top four don't have a change. Sentir works just like this. Sentí, sentiste, sintió, sentimos, sentiste, sintieron. Just the bottom two have the E to I change. The other type of change that we're looking at is from O to U in the stem, also just in the bottom two. Dormí, dormiste, durmió, dormimos, dormistes, durmieron. So O to U just in the bottom two. Hey, that rhymes. Then this grammar section on page 33 tells us that there are other verbs that follow the same pattern. For example, divertirse, preferir, sugerir, and vestirse. And the verb morir follows the same pattern as dormir. On this slide, I'm just going to buzz through these definitions real quick in case you forgot what any of them mean. Pedir, to ask for. Sentir, to feel. Divertirse, to have fun. You cannot tener divertido, people. Got it? Good. Preferir, cognate, to prefer. Sugerir, another cognate, to suggest. Y vestirse, to get dressed. Y aquí dormir, I hope you know this one, to sleep. Y morir, to die. So, if you're not following the patterns that I showed you previously, I can show you what each of these verbs look like conjugated out. Here's divertirse. Me divertí, te divertiste, se divirtió, nos divertimos, os divertisteis, se divirtieron. So we're looking at this E going to an I just in the bottom two. Preferir, preferí, preferiste, prefirió, preferimos, preferistes, prefirieron. And again, the E, and by the way it's the second E, goes to an I just in the bottom two. Sugerir, sugerí, sugeriste, sugirió, sugerimos, sugeristes, sugirieron. The E goes to an I just in the bottom two. Y vestirse. Me vestí, te vestiste, se vistió, nos vestimos, os vestistes, se vistieron. I hope by now that you're seeing the pattern of the E going to the I just in the bottom two, in the usted, ella form and the ustedes, ellos, ellas form. And finalmente, remember that the chart told us that there was a verb that worked like dormir in the fact that the O goes to U. So this looks a lot like dormir in the way we conjugate. Morí, moriste, murió, morimos, moristes, murieron. The O goes to U in the bottom two. Hey, that rhymes. Alright, clase, eso es todo. Hasta pronto.